And you're his bird. Would you sing a song for me, little bird? A song about knights and fair maidens?
I can't sleep tonight. I'm wide awake and so confused. Everything's in line, but I am bruised.
I don't know any songs. Not anymore.
I need a light
I'm
to
going.
take me home.
Where?
North.
I kinda need a hero. Is it you? I never see the forest for the trees.
No elders built by killers, so you better get used to looking at them.
Baby, I'm a little blind. I think it's time for you to find me. Can you be my nightingale? Sing to me. I know
Yeah, girl.
you could be my
Save yourself some pain, girl.
Bring me peace, sing me to sleep. Say
You won't hurt me.
be my nightingale. Somebody
Do as you
speak
bid,
to
child.
me.
To thank you for
I'm
saving me.
feeling like hell.
A dog doesn't need courage to chase off rats.
Does it give you joy to scare people?
I need a voice to echo.
The game, what's going on here?
I need a light to take
Taking a
me
little
home.
bird.
I'll see to the lady.
I need a star to follow. I don't know.
Stop that.
You're hurting me, please, sir!
Never
Sir,
see the forest
I'm a dog.
for the
Stay away
trees.
from me.
I could really use
Give him what he
your
wants.
melody. Baby, I'm a little
We'll be
blind.
needing that again.
I think it's time for you to find me. Can you be my nightingale? Sing to me. I know you're there.
There's only one thing that'll make me happy.
What's that?
My sanity, bring me peace, sing me to sleep. Say
Heard you were broken in rough.
And he got what he deserved.
I don't know what I'd do
Hounds.
without you. Your words are like a whisper.
You've changed, little bird.
As long as you're with me tonight, I'm good.
None of it would have happened if you left King's Landing with me. Take you to Winterfell. No Littlefinger. No Ramsay.
So close.
None of it.
I know you're there.
No, little bird, I won't hurt you. I'll keep you safe.
Sing to me. I know you're there.
Without Littlefinger and Ramsay and the rest, I would have stayed a little bird in my life.
You bring me peace, sing me to sleep. Say you'll be my nightingale. Can you be my nightingale?